nyina afishia pa bia asenhia na de di kan se nene da o hwe me mo akwa aba na me subscribers a mukura bi mu ne de me da masi o mu nkoso mukura bi se adwuma no me ni mu nyina na yeso am nti wo so aye ni no aba the can busia no ni enye de yonku ye ni wo sa na ekoyi na na de mo request na me de brem tea bread nkrofo yes ye bobodi a ye de ahoma beso e chire wo sa enti no ne me de mo tea bread brem na tea bread we a simple recipe but I come enti jiwakonya send original mechanic you for tea bread and she just wait and then me hot chocolate recipe be part better for enti jiwakonya ni e fishes enti the no high white strong flour 250 grams so the cup na esusu a 2 cups so and now we say yeast dry fast action yeast and also 1 teaspoon total sachet na wache mumieno so ahwanu suni and now we say a quarter teaspoon of salt and suni on say kakra kitwevi and now we say 1 teaspoon of sugar so anti sugar no person dey become one between ba me dey 1 teaspoon and na me nutmeg e be yisu 1 teaspoon and no me ba bechi enu ni so and na we Ghana friend with the African nutmeg enu ni so nti ebi mu friend no calabash nutmeg enu ni so me dey to ono aheni say na no tie nti ni we na wo dey fa nutmeg na be kama but anam di we no be quarter teaspoon e ka nutmeg no di ni no bomo na tea bread ni koyi unza and me butter nso ni so on say na ma chen da uwa susu with grams no 30 grams and na me nsuo no 160 milliliters so lukewarm into do nsatu mu a eni say shoe bebre but enyi nti anu ani o nti won say your mama be too simple na obeka sessions ni we ebe do so kakra mu say nti we no ebe so nipa for we area so on two pedodo a na wa ade a ebi aka me de no na chese no nti de mba be ni say won say nutmeg no de ya ade a utwi a fegu flour ne so no aso ni so ni na chese ni kan ti me ba be twi ni a cheers and so we dey about no metwi ye no kakra bi na metwi so be fa and say dey me an say me de menchen no egu ase de bia utu brodra hwese we yeast no and come in contact with salt no so and say dey me an say me flour ne nutmeg no me de gum na masone su ni nyina njo masone swewi afi na wo de wasitire no egum so wo de gum a na waka ni nyina afra kama afi nam di yeast no egum ti say we yeast no aye de enye dry fast one na fegu nsuo mu ansa lukewarm water na wo de be no say nsuo no na de egum na chese activating na man come. Say baby I made you my romance and I do butter no. What they are come. Na so what can you na na nutmeg no ene calabash one. Ene butter no. Me nyije ho kwa wo de mo ya de kra nti wo de koko try na be di mu adanse hey bronyo be koyi se ma mix ni nyina wi so na afi odi nsuo no ni nyina ego nti sa wo ya nioma say na ni measurement ne de no ani se wasusu na wo hwie ni nyina ego kama nti ye say no so afi no nsuo no afra kakra na watiti we ya na afi so akani nyina abem kama say baby I made me cleaning my worktop no so na do flour ebi a pete so kama na afi we pastry na to enti wa o say na me ye wa wo mixer no use well no me say no na me use ba me say o be ka say the machine ye to try enti na me inside o don ko a o say enti no na no ani say o kan gumu say so enti we ni say na say o ba be activate yeast no na metro technique ba ko a ebema omre bebre so to don say yam no we ni say ya na technique ba ko a me finding it so easy ye udo na ye say no ahu na afi why ni say na o de be pimpim ho nti we de ma me enchiro se ne me ba be ye no e fun so nti baby a me chiro we de one kan chiro de ba si say wo to bro da ya be bo ku no wo so ya do do but e easy mami o fa udo na na de abo so we dey say activate yeast no to me yan for about 5 minutes me at us if I said you do na me wie yo but the person hwe say na smooth ba ti me ntwi ni bebre nso hwe ti be kakra ka ho nti say na me do ya ye bra be hwe ja hiyo hwe say na smooth so hwe o stretch ya bete so to the bobo sa 5 minutes na chesa mai den aye kama so nti me de me ye nyina ne say na de anwa ana so say butter de opeso de femu bia ba me wo spray oil na de kakra afa obo ni say be a stick to obo so no I ni say ya keke nti say two a enti tari nti wa ngwa bibia wo bia na fi where you do na opese double up in size na de atu come on na fi Coin for my tosso. Here you ready tia wo jai. Tuan sanche ready tia until the mind is on semi oven no. Ma so me the light no na tosso keke. E ma e produce heat kakra ma na ma etu. Mama mintino se wo warm place and once we just see one wo ye we was summer e two temba se see a baby a me wo e cold kakra me so me oven light no and so oven no light in the pen that is a produce heat na me two de ko shem na afi ya to us ti me de shem na ma so light no ho and ma san 40 towel me de warm water and na afo no me squeeze na de ato so bumumi eno nti ope brodo ne shiw so nti technique am chire we na use ni sa na de atoso nti be produce more heat ama so na sese sia na etu ama awusi afo edo eni o na re de aye etu ani etu so nti se de me nyina ne se odo fla ne bi epete ho na afi we you do so we in from my nephew. Na dia to ti me ye on sem from na sen film. On say sani I no say am rebat e ma inframa ni nyina emfim okura so no any say bra. So ka abumu akeke so na me ba be chemu for Is I said me and Nanny say my family tree so now do flour ego. So we training ya non stick but more than so the butter be you more answer ba we me fa butter behind me the flour ne keke in the room. We tea bread into my flour and cook so. The dough in a matching for no to the me and Nanny said afi wo be shaping no so nti no can bre mu but emfa pressure bebre into so Então, se ma shape ni say ya keke so ti na be ato utwe no kama ti me ye de aka no na se ya to aso ti no am so really ni say na so for pressure so na oh yeah the utwe akra. Very simple. Yeah, very simple craft. So nothing. Put the flour. So say tea bread don't enough for a bone powder. Put the some. Put the petty swirl. Interesting, you bro the I come. So now if you know now for the clean film so now they are kataso now and for pressure to clean film so my air room now I cut now I cut and this is something I begin so not saying to and sign out 20 young kitty say yeah. And sorry if you are going so me sign there question me oven me oven light ni penisi so ti me sign there question ma be ya ifre mu a chance na ya to enko be bia e basisi I wish you for brother na ya kama yo so na etu aye coming aye fefe until now we some ne kakra san proso so yes I come yeah we are na say me oven na so at 150 na dia shemo bro ma be ya ifu mu a chiro enko be bi yeah we are na ebusia for hey tea bread na I come say wa she hey she Jayo, aye kama, aye kama. And me ye go on and want to kakra. Hey, wait there. It's me hot chocolate recipe. Buy me chowy. What do you desire? But aye kama kasa. We want to go to one where I didn't because you are back near the cover. So I send a brother a simple recipe in 2 penny to do. Send him big can measurement now there are 2 cups no double one up nice fine. Into ready in me jawako no mako try me hot chocolate no. Me adoma with the recipe in the Bible. And tea. So I'm subscribing to this channel but more than subscribe never notification bell on it to send me the this one. Maybe I never request the musa. Ne kui me dinya me jaw baby God bless.